Hello, my name is Mary Lacey Motley, CEO and founder of EATS2SEATS. My company provides fundraising opportunities for nonprofits by partnering with stadium concessions to meet staffing needs during sports and entertainment events. We also offer food delivery for fans and other perks for both our venue and nonprofit partners. But before we get into all of that, I just want to take a quick moment to say thank you to the Innovate Carolina community and the UNC entrepreneurial ecosystem who have made such an invaluable impact on my life and so many others. Thank you. So, what problems does Eats to Seats solve? First, the problem of fundraising for smaller nonprofits. Nonprofits are the heartbeat for millions of people and thousands of communities. They dedicate time, resources, and loving energy to improving the lives of those in need. Without grassroots nonprofits, the majority of fundraising initiatives simply wouldn't exist. However, it's those same smaller local nonprofits that often struggle to recruit volunteers and fundraise. Second, the problem of staffing event venues, particularly sports stadiums. These venues have long partnered with nonprofits to staff concession stands and fundraise. But smaller nonprofits have trouble meeting the demanding contract requirements laid out by venues. All too often, nonprofit partners lose these contracts and burn out as they simply couldn't recruit enough staffers consistently. As a result, too many nonprofits with honorable causes lose thousands in fundraising, while concession businesses lose thousands of dollars in revenues from understaffed stands operating with inefficiencies. Eats to Seats solves both these problems. With our dual-sided solution, Eats to Seats restructures staffing operations through a mobile business platform that prioritizes the nonprofit experience so that any organization, no matter the size, can serve their mission. For our nonprofit partners, we handle burdensome tasks and offer more flexibility with our short-term contracts, our transparent payment structures, and our home-based scheduling software that provides nonprofit partners more freedom to choose fundraising opportunities at dates and times that work best with their schedule and their capabilities. We also provide grade A service to our venue partners by automating scheduling, recruiting higher quality in-stand leadership, increasing efficiencies, and enabling excellent fan service through food delivery and contactless pickup, providing value to venues, fans, and nonprofits alike. After personally struggling to fundraise with a local charity here in Chapel Hill, I launched Eats to Seats in the fall of 2019, where we scaled to 7 Division I venues across the Southeast and refined our model here at UNC. In our first season, Eats to Seats generated over $60,000, nearly half of which went directly to nonprofit partners, all while remaining profitable since day one. For partnered venues, we increased efficiency by an average of $35,000 per game. Most importantly, we established meaningful relationships with nearly 100 nonprofits. Thanks to the mission-driven model, Eats to Seats fueled over $20,000 for community improvement in Chapel Hill alone. And that was just in our rookie year. Despite the pandemic, we have remained operational, and post-COVID, Eats to Seats will enable venues to get quickly back on their feet and nonprofits to re-emerge supercharged. We will fuel their missions, and their missions will fuel our impact. And we would love the support of the incredible Innovate Carolina network, spreading across the Atlantic Coast Conference and into every stadium throughout North Carolina and throughout the nation. The food contracting industry is worth nearly $35 billion, and we have barely scratched the surface. We have the potential to acquire a large proportion of the market as we continue to grow and perfect our craft. Imagine the positive change we can fuel together across thousands of Carolina communities, one hot dog at a time. I will be graduating this May as a business major and would love any connections, feedback, criticism, or mentorship as I go full-time with the company and we look to scale this upcoming 2021 football season. Thank you again to all who have made this incredible event possible, and thank you to anyone who has any type of interest or just thanks for listening in on Eats to Seats. Thank you so much, and go Heels.